Hi, my name is Umar, and today we are going to see the demo of the manufacturing process which we have designed for one of our client. The process can be customized as per your requirement. This is what our client wanted, and I'll show you that thing. So here we usually require to do a manufacturing process, we usually require parts and a finished product. Let's have a look at the parts. So these are the different parts. These are all the fields for the parts, and they have been categorized by various names like profile, hydraulic cylinder, the hose. These lists we can search from this list. We can either print them and we can export them into an Excel. This is the raw material. These are the finished products. So the company builds these kinds of products like aerial platform, ambulances, some combination machines, cranes, all of these products. And let's quickly add a new product. Alright, we are going to add a new aerial platform having model 6000, and once I just save the product, the aerial platform will be saved. But we also want to set the bill of materials, that is the products required to manufacture aerial platform. Right, so I just set bill of materials here, and I'll enter the part numbers which I require. So this is it. Right, this is how. And to manufacture one quantity of aerial material, what quantity I need? So maybe I need 5 of these, and 10 of these. Alright, now I have an option. I can set this as a template. So an aerial platform might have hydraulic components, electrical components, mechanical components, various kinds of. So we can have set different templates here. What I'll do is I'll copy an existing bill of materials from, maybe let's say aerial platform 1000, because maybe standard components are same to build 6000. So let's copy them. Right, so an existing bill of material list has been copied. I can save it as a standard. So aerial platform 6000 is being saved. Now this is a standard. If I need an electrical components, I can just select from here, from 1000 electrical components. So let's name it electrical 2 and confirm and update. So electrical components have been added. So now aerial platform 6000 have two templates. One is standard components and one is electrical components. Now let's go to the manufacturing process. So that is bill of materials. It's just a verb term. So now here, if we have a sales order, we can directly select the sales order and the product will be selected. If there are multiple products, we'll get an option for which product we want to we want to create a manufacturing order. Alright, and once I select a template, the values will be popped up. But right now I don't have any sales order, so I'll just select aerial platform 6000 and now if I want to build 5 quantity, here the materials values will be automatically changed. or if I say I want to manufacture 10 quantities, the raw material quantities will adjust accordingly. Now we have if I want some other special part in my, I can add that too in my manufacturing order. I can manually add some quantity, have some value, and yeah, it will be calculated. Here I have an option of fetch rate. So this software, this module is linked with the client's existing accounting software, which is Tally ERP9, and they want to fetch all the various part rates, raw material rates from that software. So we have an option built here. So there is different values, so standard cost, closing value, or the last purchase rate, so which can be fetched from their existing accounting software. Once we save it, so this is it. This is the print that is being generated. If you want to show the rates here, it can be shown if the client wanted them to hide, as they are going to issue it to their engineers. So here we are not showing. And yeah, let's have a look at a more detailed view of some other bill of materials. Let's say this one, and let's have a print view. Yeah, right. So this was a small manufacturing process. This can be customized according the way you want. We can have various kinds of options. If you are managing an inventory here, once a manufacturing order is created, we can deduct from the inventory. And if you want a step-by-step process, if you have different kinds of assembly lines, so like we can add them in the process. If you want to add some labor costs, we can add here. Anything you want, we can customize it as per the requirement. That's it. If you have any more questions, do let me know. Thank you so much.